TBW, what the hell?
Warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Suwannee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.
What's going on with my camera?
To Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Suwannee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 1 a.m. At 11:05 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along from 11 nautical miles north of the reef to 69 nautical miles south of that tower, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source.
I don't know what's happening with the camera right now, either.
Wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly high waves. Frequent
My 120 didn't go off.
Downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations and tactics include Azello, Low Key, Indian Shore with
Also, I'm going to have to change places with the CL100.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters forecast for the W.
Hi, TBW again.
Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Suwannee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay
Couldn't find my camera, so I'm using my phone.
To Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles.
Actually, it's right there.
3:45 a.m. At 2:11 a.m., showers and isolated thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Azello to 38 nautical miles west of Egmont Key, moving east at 25 knots.
Actually, it's right there.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, occasional lightning, and heavy downpours.
Occasional lightning, that's new.
Life jackets. Locations and tactics include Terracea Bay, Azello, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Clearwater Beach, Bayport, Old Tampa Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, Madeira Beach Reef, Tarpon Springs, Longboat Key, Cockroach Bay, Anna Maria Island, Treasure Island Reef, Hernando Beach, Passagrille Channel, Indian Shore Reef, Southwest Channel, St. Pete Beach Reef, Port Manatee Reef, and Tampa Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters
Right, that's that.
for the